In this lesson, I'll demonstrate how you may earn $17 for every 3 clicks. I'll begin by offering proof that this is effective and a good use of my time. As you can see, users on this website from all over the world are paid daily. With your preferred payment method, you can withdraw your money at any time. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. To get started, go to youtube.com. You won't need to produce or distribute any kind of film. All you have to do is visit youtube.com and look for different self-improvement videos, such as those that may show you how to become healthier, more attractive, exercise efficiently, or better your thinking. In order to make this film, I will thus hunt for ways to be more appealing, and all of these different films with millions of views will be shown. It has been established that millions of people are interested in this kind of information and subject. It's a frequent problem that many individuals would like to be more appealing. Therefore, there's really nothing wrong with it. You will now offer those people all free assistance. After that, you'll be earning a ton of money absolutely automatically. I know you won't need to make any movies like this or sell anything. Discover a handful of these videos, whichever you like best. For instance, I'll click the video if I want to watch this one. Come over to uii.io once you've copied the link that takes people to that video by clicking here, just below the video where it says Share. On this website, visitors from all over the world are welcome. On this website, you can earn money for each visitor who clicks on your URL link. You can get paid every time someone clicks on your link on this page. You can use this service for free by signing up, pasting a long link into this box, and having it automatically shortened. Each time a user clicks on the shortened link, you will then get paid. People that click on that link are first directed to an advertisement landing page or are shown some advertisements, which is how you get paid. You can visit the website without seeing the ads. It's ingenious of uii.io to essentially share the ad money with you. And the reason we utilize the website is because it is really effective and has a high payout, according to my testing. They assert that their success rate is the highest. To use this website, just go to uii.io and select the sign up free button to begin by creating an account. You can do this by providing your username and email address, creating a password, and then agreeing to their terms of use and privacy policy before clicking the register button. Once you create it, your new account will be seen like this. The dashboard allows you to monitor your profits, click, and overall financial success. Here on the left, you'll be able to withdraw your money. Thus, if you have enough, you can cash out your earnings and put the money to any use you choose. It presently has no balance because it is a new account, but as it is brand new, that it will soon change. As a result, I wanted to click on this link which says New Shortened Link. Links that point users to specific videos can be condensed. Since long URLs might be unappealing and reliable, shortening them just encourages more clicks. You now have access to this unique link, and you will be compensated for each hit, so you may paste that long URL link here and choose Shorten. For every 1,000 clicks, you will receive payment. You may utilize the platform I'm giving you for free to spread the word about these links to millions of people every day. So don't worry, it's not essential to register for any social media sites if you adhere to the instructions in this video. Then pay close attention. To get to that stage, you must first visit Linktree. This website's landing page builder is totally free. You can increase your results by include more links. You'll see how that works immediately. In order to create a free account, visit Linktree and click the sign up free button. After providing your username and email address, just click proceed to continue. Then simply click register to create your new account. When you log into your brand new account, it will look like this. Here on the right, your landing page will be displayed and your special link will be directly above it. Every time someone clicks on this link, they are directed to this page. With the ability to host several shortened links on a single page, you may now generate cash fully automatically. Keep an eye on it to discover how it functions precisely. Whatever the subject of the YouTube video is, you can label this one. For now, you must choose Add a New Link. For instance, I could just copy and paste the title of this YouTube video here. I'll go back to uii.io now, copy and previously shortened link, and put it here instead of pasting the direct YouTube link. As you can see, this will enable site visitors to always see and link leading to details on how to look more attractive. A YouTube video will start playing when they click on it. They will be happy because seeing that film gave them something, and we will be happy that working on this website will allow us to meet our financial obligations. The fact that each click would result in cash is the finest part. As more people click on the links you add to this landing page, you will start to make more money. As a result, I'll go back to YouTube to look for additional videos, and I suggest that you do the same. To copy the URL links, merely click the share button on a few of these YouTube videos. To shorten a long link, go back to uii.io, paste the long link here, choose shorten, and then copy the shorter URL. When your landing page is entirely covered by links, go back to the link tree and choose add new link. Once each of these links has been added to your landing page, copy it and paste it directly here. This will serve you as your one-of-a-kind link. Additionally, whenever users click on it, it will take them to this page. As you can see, this appears to be lovely. In addition, both the creation of this page and its hosting on Linktree were free. I now have a variety of links and buttons that anyone can click on, and I will be paid for each one. All I need to do is send appropriate traffic to this page to get those clicks, and I've produced this entire article and script, both of which are entirely free to assist with that. Here, we elaborate on the subject of attractiveness and go through its benefits as well as some connected issues. This article, which is fairly nice and useful, is accessible to readers. But inside of this page, I've included a section titled Top 3 Videos to be More Attractive, and I want you to paste your Linktree unique link here. This simplifies, as you can see, that when someone starts reading the post, they will encounter the section headed Top 3 Videos to be More Attractive, and they will be captivated because it is what they are interested in. They will click on this post as they read it to be directed to a page with a number of buttons options, and each time they click, you automatically make money. It's a great strategy that really does work nicely. However, pay attention to learn where you must share the script and where you must post this content. The particular connection in your link tree should be added to multiple places rather than just one, as others might miss it. However, there is a higher chance that someone will click the link and continue to take further actions if you place it in more than one place. Where exactly will this article be distributed now? To remedy that, let's move on to the following platform we'll be employing, called slideshare.net. Millions of people gathered here to read numerous articles on a wide range of topics. Additionally, there are a ton of articles about improving oneself and becoming more attractive. Additionally, this website allows you to freely disseminate your articles. You might potentially read hundreds of millions of people with this website. You won't receive 100 million clicks, of course. However, it still gives you a reasonable idea of how many clicks and potential customers you can get from these websites for nothing. So let me give you an example. You can see that people are interested in and sharing this kind of information if you type attractive into the search area. Remember that it may not work the best for everyone if you all replicate the same article or script because people may start noticing it. So I strongly advise you to try creating your own. Signing up for a free account on slideshare.net by clicking the sign up button right here. After finishing that, simply click the upload button. Choose the files or documents to upload, and you can publish it on this website so that users can start reading it. These articles don't have to always be about how to look good. They might also be about how to get better. You can experiment to see which categories and niches receives the most clicks. You just saw how simple and effective this strategy was. Even though it doesn't take much effort or money upfront, it might likely give you a respectable amount of passive income. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.